Genes load the gun. Data pulls the trigger. For years, we've been fed a myth that our genes dictate our fate. If your family has a history of heart disease, cancer, or diabetes, you might think you're destined to follow the same path. We've been conditioned to view our DNA as a rigid blueprint, an unchangeable script that outlines our lives. This idea of genetic destiny is one of the most disempowering beliefs we face today. But what if I told you that the gun doesn't have to go off? What if you could rewrite the instructions? This isn't just some far-fetched idea, it's epigenetics in action. This groundbreaking field shows that your lifestyle choices, like what you eat, how you exercise, your stress levels, and even your thoughts, are constantly sending signals to your genes. These signals work like switches, turning genes on or off without altering the actual DNA code. You're the maestro of your own genetic symphony. Your daily habits create the music, and your genes respond to the beautiful composition you craft. Just think about it. You hold the power to mute the genes that lead to illness and amplify the ones that keep you healthy. Let's cut to the chase. Your genes don't dictate your fate. They merely suggest your tendencies. It's your daily choices, your lifestyle, that ultimately shape whether those tendencies turn into reality. We've been conditioned to think we're just passengers in our own bodies. But the reality is we're the ones in control. The dashboard is right in front of us every single day. The catch? Most of us don't know how to interpret the signals. We're navigating without a map, making decisions based on one-size-fits-all advice, trends, and a bit of guesswork. This is where the real change starts. It's not about battling your genes, it's about collaborating with them. It's about realizing that every meal, every workout, and every night's sleep is a piece of information you're giving your body. This information guides your genes. Eating junk food sends out inflammatory signals, while a stroll in the sunshine encourages your body to make vitamin D. Even a stressful meeting can set off a chain reaction of hormonal changes that affect gene expression for hours. You're always in a dialogue with your DNA. The real question is, what message are you sending it? So, how can you take charge of your health? How do you shift your focus from disease to wellness? It really comes down to a few key principles. This isn't some lengthy, complicated list. It's a straightforward, high-impact strategy. First, fueling your body with the right information is key. Think of your food as more than just calories. It's like a code that your body reads. Whole, unprocessed foods like vibrant veggies, high-quality proteins, and healthy fats are loaded with micronutrients that actually tell your genes to fight inflammation, fix cellular damage, and boost your metabolism. On the flip side, processed junk food does just the opposite. It's akin to introducing a virus into your system. Every bite you take is a decision. Are you choosing health or inviting disease? Second, let's talk about moving with intention. Exercise is one of the most powerful ways to influence our genes. It's not just about burning calories. It actually encourages your body to build stronger muscles, enhance insulin sensitivity, and even create new brain cells. On the flip side, a sedentary lifestyle sends a message to your genes to store fat and deteriorate. Our bodies are made to be active, and when we don't move, we're essentially signaling our DNA to decline. Third, mastering your stress is crucial. Chronic stress acts like a silent killer, keeping your fight or flight response constantly revved up. This sends signals to your genes that can ramp up inflammation and weaken your immune system. It's not just about feeling overwhelmed, it's a real biological state that changes how your genes express themselves. Engaging in practices like meditation, deep breathing, or simply enjoying time outdoors can send a strong message to your body. A message of safety and healing that helps you recover and flourish. Fourth, make deep sleep a priority. Sleep isn't just a nice to have. It's an essential part of being human. When you hit that deep sleep stage, your body gets to work like a well-oiled machine. Your brain clears out toxins, your cells get a chance to heal, and your hormones find their balance. Skipping on sleep is like telling your body's maintenance crew to take a break. If you keep doing that, the consequences can really add up, and before you know it, your system might start to falter. This isn't just about striving for perfection. It's about finding the right path. It's about realizing that you're not just a product of your genes, you have the power to make choices. The traditional approach to medicine was all about reacting to problems. You wait for the alarm to sound, the diagnosis, and then you scramble to fix what's broken. But the new approach is all about being proactive. It's about using the information from your daily life to keep things in check. It's about leveraging your lifestyle to shape a healthier future for your body. The idea that our genes dictate our fate is a thing of the past. You have the power to change your story. The information is right at your fingertips. Your genes are paying attention. What narrative will you share with them? Start now. Make one choice that promotes your health. It could be one nutritious meal, a single walk, or even a deep breath. You are the creator of your own wellness. So go ahead, build something extraordinary. Thanks for tuning in. If this message struck a chord with you, go ahead and give that like button a tap, and don't forget to follow or subscribe for more content that helps you take charge of your health. Catch you next time.